Hey guys, Analyze Data here, or you can call me Anal Data. Today I'm going to bring you some co-op gameplay. I know many of you have been begging for this, and well, I'm going to deliver. The main thing I want to talk about is just stuff in general. My friend Chili Willy, he got a microwave recorder, and I just want to talk about my jealousy. A lot of people don't know this about me, but like, I don't know. I strive to be the best. I strive for it. And when I see chill cams getting a microwave, when I just am stuck with a potato with an antenna stuck on top of it, that's some fierce competition for me to strive to be the best. I really don't know how he got it. I think he went to McDonald's and stole their burrito heater. That's my theory. I've been plotting, or not plotting, like just been sketching out ideas of how he got it, and that's the best one I've came up with so far. Because yesterday, well, when he got his what's it called, the microwave recorder, I went to McDonald's that same day. Coincidence? No. To get a burrito, and my burrito was cold, and I'm like, why is my burrito cold? And they said, because someone stole our microwave. So me being Sherlock Holmes with my magnifying glass, I found some fingerprints, and yeah, so he stole the microwave from McDonald's, and now he's has an amazing recorder recording his gameplays, and I'm stuck with a potato that can only record 5 seconds. This has really upset me. I I I don't know. It just with 15 subscribers and him having 42, there's some fierce competition ahead of me. I need subscribers, guys. Come on. I promise you, if I get 67 subscribers, I will invest, wink wink, in a microwave to record my awesome Call of Duty 2 gameplays. And I know you guys will like it. So that's it, and get ready for some bass drops.